Adventure-ready, feature-rich, small, highly functional photo tripod and 3-way head kit designed to deliver outstanding feature value for money. Travel light and ready to catch the ideal shot. For today's explorers who want to enjoy the moment, quickly and effortlessly attach up to 1 kilogram of photo gear with a handy quick-release plate. Safety and comfort first. Enjoy precise, rapid, and secure setup with the tripod's 4-section legs and lever locks, middle spreader locking system, and sure grip rubber feet. Embrace the National Geographic spirit. The kit is provided with a branded National Geographic carry bag, for easier, more comfortable transportation. The National Geographic NGPHMIDI is a small 3-way fluid head and tripod kit that is ideal for enthusiast photographers looking for the best lightweight tripod that can safely support up to 1 kilogram of photography equipment. The head features 3 independent movements, for great landscape, architecture and even portrait shots. Enjoy instant and effortless camera attachment with the quick-release plate. The tripod features ergonomic 4-section legs with quick-releasing lever locks, which together enable you to quickly and easily set up at exactly the right height, even in the most demanding locations. This compact model also has a built-in bubble level for high-precision leveling. The tripod's stability is guaranteed by a middle spreader locking system that centrally connects the 3 legs together. Its sure grip rubber feet keep your gear stable on all types of terrain. The kit is made of high-quality materials and its legs feature a laser-engraved National Geographic logo. It is offered in a stylish National Geographic branded carrying bag for easier, more comfortable transportation. Top reviews from the United States. Bought this as had been using my husband's camera tripod for a night vision camera to watch the hedgehogs in the garden. He was a little worried as the weather has taken a turn and didn't fancy his tripod being out in the rain all night, so I bought this and I am so happy. I've used it 2 nights now and it fits the camera perfectly, is sturdy enough to stay upright and out in all weathers, as well as keeping the camera high enough out of the hedgehog's line of sight so as not to bother them.